Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to tell you about an interesting topic of English grammar, and that is articles. So, first, let me tell you what articles are. Articles are demonstrative adjectives. What are articles? They are demonstrative adjectives which are used to point out things or people. So they are demonstrative adjectives which are used to point out things or people. Like the basic function of a demonstrative adjective is to point out things or people, articles also point out whether the noun is general or specific. So now let me tell you the various kinds of articles. There are three kinds of articles: a, and the. A and an are indefinite articles, whereas the is a definite article. That is, the is used with specific nouns or when we need to specify a noun, like the man with a stick. So we have specified only that man which has a stick, who's carrying a stick. Whereas a and an are indefinite articles and they are used with common nouns which are not specific, countable nouns, and countable singular nouns. That is, countable singular nouns. That is, it is used with nouns which are countable, not with uncountable nouns, and also singular nouns, not plural nouns. Now, let me further explain with what a is used and an is used. So, now here's something very important I have to tell you. An is used with words beginning with a vowel sound, not with a vowel. Again, I'm making it very clear. An is used with words beginning with a vowel sound and not with a vowel. Now, first, let me make you clear what is a vowel sound and what is a consonant sound. So, when we articulate A, E, I, O, U, we notice, for example, A. When we articulate A, there is no closure of the mouth, and the sound of A does not take help of any other sound. Like, for example, B, C, D, B. For example, B, when we articulate it, we notice that the sound B takes the help of two sounds, B and E. And also, there is a closure of mouth. And when we articulate C, it takes help of the two sounds, that is, S and E, and the tongue touches the upper palate. So I'm making it again very clear, when with vowel sound, there is no closure of mouth and it takes help of no other sound. Now clear? So it is very clear now that an is used with words which begin with a vowel sound and it is used with words which begin with consonant sound. Now I'm going to give you a few examples which will make our concept very clear. Again, I'm repeating, an is used with words which begin with a vowel sound and a is used with the words which begin with a consonant sound. Now let's look here. Egg, an egg. So egg begins with the sound a, which is a vowel sound, therefore an egg. An orange, because the sound which orange begins is o, orange, which is a vowel sound, therefore an orange. Now look here, an honest man, though the word begins with H, but the sound comes of O, honest, therefore we write an honest man. The sound which comes out is honest, which is a vowel sound, therefore an honest man. Now look here. A chair. Ch. Ch. This is a consonant sound. Therefore, a chair. Here, a table. T. The sound is of t. A table. Now look here. A university. Though university begins with U, but the sound is coming of Y, which is of Y. And it is a consonant sound. Therefore, a university. Same here, a European, though European begins with E, but the sound is Y, a European. So it is again a European. Now with this example, the concept is going to be completely be clear. See, NP, the sound is not of M coming, So an MP, and here is the full form of it, Member of Parliament. So here the sound is coming of M, which is a consonant sound, therefore a Member of Parliament. I hope now we are very clear when to use an and when to use L. So now let's move on to the article the. As already told that the is a definite article and it is used when we want to specify things or with specific nouns. Now let's see rules regarding it. So it is used before any specific noun. Example, close the window on your left. So here we are asked to close the window which is on our left. So the window is specified which window is to be closed. Thus, article the is used before any specific noun. It is also used with superlatives like the tallest, the youngest. So here it is the example sentence. He is the tallest boy of the class. So here the tallest boy, the shortest. So here with the word superlative we use the article the. We use article the before any specific noun or with superlatives. Then the third rule is we use it with words like first, last, next. The example sentence is, I sat on the last bench. So here we have specified the bench, not the first bench, not the second bench, but I sat on the last bench. With nouns like earth, moon, stars, these heavenly bodies, we use the article the. Here there is another point to note, like the. Like earth, it begins with a vowel a. So we use the earth. Whereas with others, the moon, the stars, because they begin with a consonant sound. Whereas with earth, we use it the earth because it begins with a vowel sound. Now, let's come to the other words. It is used with common nouns when it represents the whole class. Like, the dog is a faithful animal. So we're not talking about one dog or two dogs. We're talking about the whole class of dogs. Therefore, we use the definite article the. The dog is a faithful animal. So we specified it to the whole class of dogs. So here we go to the next one. With the names of rivers, seas, oceans, like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the oceans, the seas, we use the word the article the with the rivers, with the names of the rivers. The Brahmaputra. So we use the article the with the rivers. Then with the holy books, the names of the holy books like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, we use the article the with them. With the names of buildings like the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, we use the article the. Then we use it with the names of the buildings. We have done with the names of the buildings like the Qutub Minar and the Taj Mahal. Then with the name of the newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. And see, so we use it with the names of rivers, holy books, buildings, newspapers, rivers, seas, and ocean. We use the article the. We also use the article the with the names of countries which common noun like the United States of America. So here United. So here we use the article the with it. I hope now it is very clear with you when we use this definite article the. I'm just giving a quick recap with the when before any specific noun, with the superlatives, with the words like the first, last, next, with nouns like earth, moon, stars, with common nouns when they represent the whole class, with the names of rivers, oceans, holy books, buildings, newspapers, then with the name of countries with common noun like the United States of America. Now let us see where we do not use any article. No article is used with proper nouns. Ashoka was a kind ruler. We will never use the Ashoka or a Ashoka was a kind ruler. No article is used here. No articles is used with abstract nouns. That is, beauty pleases our eyes. We will never say a beauty or the beauty pleases our eyes. So abstract nouns like love, beauty, honesty, we never use any article with it. No article is used with the names of materials like gold, silver, water. We never use any article. Gold is an expensive metal. We will never say the gold is an expensive metal or the iron is a heavy metal. We never use any article with it. I hope now the topic of articles is very clear with you all. Where to use a, where to use an, and where to use the, and where not to use an article.